Sprite Entertainment presents The Chronicles of Ushbebe Live in Warri, Yadadi 23.
Oh my God, we don't shut it down.
All right, Warrior fan. Good evening, everybody. Hope we're all having fun. Not be smart. Ushbebe does change the level. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, I will get money to do DNA. Just a poor man say this in Peking. Not resemble, I go say live on for God. Poor man, not to get strength. To the ladies, success is not sexually transmitted. That is why you not get out shower, sleep with big man rich, she's still a poor girl. No, these things are normal things. Well, anyway, ladies and gentlemen, please just turn to your neighbor, tell your neighbor I love you. Let's share love now. Tell your neighbor I love you. Update, quick one. Growing up, one time we just discover, say, my father come the young, my father the young, my mother the old. Now go meet my pa, say, wait till they stop. Why you the young, mom see the old? Now my pa can tell us, say, nah, I love you, I love you, I love you. What they tell your mama, now make me the young, oh. When our mama come the old, oh. Now we say what? Now we go boss code. Now we call mom see. Popsy say, nah, I love you, where they tell you, now make you the old. In the young go. Next day, as my papa boss out, I love you. My mom go do, I love you. I love you, I love you, I love you. 12 they call the young. We the children call the old. Now I call my rest brothers. As I know the secret to, before we call go old past there. Now we two boss out for the house. My papa go do, I love you. My mom, I love you. We too, I love you. Love you, love you, love you, love you, love you. The full house call the, all of us call the young. Our neighbors call the old. No be smart, you know. Ladies and gentlemen, quick one. I like advising men. Please, if you are here, you are a man. There are some things you should take. You should not take home. Hello? You get what you they take, not take her home. Take her hand somewhere. One of all these are go that they say, where they make man they active. Now one guy go buy you. They say, may use and take Miss Sprite. So he buy the agbo, use and Miss Sprite. So make it for the walk where with madam, he can't go, they keep the Sprite for inside a room, for back of door. So every night when I want meet madam, he go just drink small. For his wife mind, na Sprite. But the man was being active, fulfilling his mission. Until one day, where two of his children, two of his boys, one at 10 years, the other one at 13 years. Now they enter daddy room. Senior one night and I called her. I said, Junior, come. Daddy's hiding Sprite in his room. 10 years, boy, now I carry the Sprite. Now the two boys say, if you drink small, I drink small. If you drink small, now they finish Sprite. Sprite with their papa, they take one shot. They drink the full Sprite. The man still they walk. Around 2. My wife, Nicola, honey, where are you? James and Matthew, I don't know what is happening with them. The man said, what are you saying? What could be happening with them? He said, honey, I don't want to lie to you. James and Matthew are having erection. 10 years old boy got to get erection. Well, that's why it's good when you buy these things, always take the numbers of those selling it. In case you get problem, like if you enter bus, okay, those who they sell them, collect their number. Thank God, say that man collect the number, now I carry phone. Now I call the guy. He say, hello, guy. Now me way by that, go they take the Miss Sprite for your hand for bus. The man say, oh, how far they walk? He said, they walk. He say, but problem. They say, what is the problem? He say, my 10 years old and my 13 years old boy go drink him. He say, any problem? He say, yes, so they don't get erection, no. Now the man tell him, say, no, so what do you want? He say, yes, what is the antidote? Something they can take to bring the erection down. Now the man say no antidote unless they fuck. Oh. No be small problem. Oh. After a whole day, the boy just say, see what they shout. Daddy, my to-do is peppering me. My to-do is peppering. No be small problem. Oh. To cut the long story short, the next day, now the man just carried the two boys, go one place where our sisters in the Lord they stay. So he allowed the two boys ease the tension. After everything can come down. Where the man say problem then and 1 week later, 13 years old son call and Daddy, that place you took us to last week, can we go again? Ladies and gentlemen, thank you. That was my time. My name is MC Pincode.
Sprite Entertainment presents the Chronicles of Ushbebe Live in Warri. Yadadi 23.